Hi, my name is Tom. I'm the founder of Talon Rescue, and today I'm going to give you a demonstration of the TRECK and its ability to cut through thick materials such as turnout gear. So before I get into cutting the actual turnout gear, what I wanted to do was give you a very quick demonstration of how you make an initial cut using the TRECK and without the use of trauma shears. And it's a very easy, though not obvious technique, and it's something that's also necessary when you get into cutting very thick materials or multi-layered materials, especially if you come across things like seams, which you will quite often in materials like turnout gear. So for this initial demonstration, what I've got here is a pair of jeans. And a couple things I want you to notice is that, number one, I'm not going to use a lot of force in order to make this cut. It's a razor blade that's embedded in the TRECK, so I'm simply going to use the sharpness of the blade to make the cut and not use a lot of force. The other thing is you notice that I'm pulling away from the patient. And lastly, though there's not a patient in these jeans, if there were, I would not be using the patient's body as a point of leverage or as a pivot point in order to make this cut. So it's really easy to do, and for this particular demonstration what I'm going to do is cut through the waistband and go right through this seam as well as a pocket and all the way down. And again, just watch this this very simple and easy technique, and watch how little force I'm using. So once you load the waistband into the hook portion of the TRECK, you're simply going to use an upward flick of the wrist, okay? And once you have made that initial cut, you're simply pulling away from the patient, and you know, it's really that easy. So you know, again, it's a simple, very easy upward flick of the wrist to make that initial cut, and something that I'll repeat a couple times when cutting the turnout gear.